Alright, so for today we have a almost 6-pound cross rib roast. Now this is my first time cooking one of these. It's also my first time cooking with this little camera setup here. I used to have a really nice setup when I had a cooking channel, but I got rid of all that once I stopped doing those videos. Anyway, I've got the smoker, as you can hear, going at 225. Like I said, this is almost 6 pounds. Last night I put a thick coat of salt on it, put it in the fridge it's been in there for over 12 hours. It's been sitting out on the counter now for about 45 minutes. Now I'm going to put just a rub on it. It's sweated enough that it should take this rub. And this rub is just stuff that I had in the cabinet. It's various things, so you can do whatever you want, however you want to do it. I'm going to do a pretty thick coating on here, and I'm going to get all sides. Alright, so everything's coated pretty well. I've got the fat side up, and I'm going to put it in the smoker, and it should be in there for a few hours. Not quite sure how long yet. I have cooked prime rib in the past, but this is my first one of these. And the smoker has calmed down. Let's get it in there. Alright, there it is. Smoker is at 225. I have a water pan in there. I know this is going to take at least 4 hours, maybe closer to 6. So any long cooks, I like having a water pan in there. Helps it from drying out. So we'll check back in a bit. Alright, so we just hit the 2-hour mark. And there it is. I put a probe in it. Right now it is sitting at 97 degrees internal. So far so good. We'll be back. Okay, here it is at about the 4-hour mark, and we are at 135 internal. So I am going to go ahead and pull it, wrap it, and let it rest. Alright, well there it is after 4 hours. I'm going to wrap it up. And I'm going to put it in my little broken wine fridge. That is now my warmer. And then we'll get it going. And somebody can't wait. Can you, Gare? You got all kinds of stripes on you because of the shade. Okay, there it is. Close it up. Should stay warm for a couple hours. It didn't take as long to cook as I thought. So we have about 2 hours to dinner. And look who's moved and is a little more interested, aren't you? You can't see it because your face is in the shadow. We'll be back. Alright, so I had a little disaster here with the string and a very dull knife. I grabbed the wrong one. So anyway, it looks good, it tastes good, and now we're getting ready to eat. So there you go. Most importantly though, that aside. Alright, the most important part. Yep, that was about 1.5 seconds, so it must taste pretty good. Right, Gare? What do you say? Well, sorry, the ending of this has been kind of a disaster between a dull knife, airplanes, and golfers. And there goes one now. But as we say, Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next one. Right here.